Are you one of the millions of people suffering from arthritis? If so, you might want to pay attention. In this video, we'll discuss 6 inflammatory foods that you should avoid if you have arthritis. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Nightshade vegetables. Nightshade vegetables belong to the Solanaceae family and include popular choices like tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, and eggplants. While these vegetables are nutritious and widely consumed, they contain a compound called solanine. Solanine is known to cause inflammation in the body, which can increase joint pain and stiffness in individuals with arthritis. When consumed, solanine can trigger the release of inflammatory substances, such as cytokines in the body. These cytokines can further aggravate the joints, leading to increased pain and discomfort. It's important to note that not everyone with arthritis will experience symptoms from nightshade vegetables. However, if you're experiencing increased joint pain, it may be worth exploring whether these vegetables could be contributing to your discomfort. It's essential to listen to your body and pay attention to how certain foods affect your arthritis symptoms. Keeping a food diary can help you identify potential triggers and notice patterns. By eliminating nightshade vegetables from your diet for a period of time, you can determine whether they are contributing to increased joint pain or stiffness. Number 2. Gluten foods. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. It has been identified as a trigger for inflammatory response in the body. When people with arthritis consume gluten, their immune system mistakenly identifies this protein as a threat, initiating an immune response. This response leads to increased inflammation in the joints, exacerbating pain and stiffness. Fascinatingly, this reaction stems from the body's inability to break down gluten properly, causing it to attack the joints instead. Additionally, gluten stimulates the release of certain chemicals in the body, such as cytokines, that further contribute to joint inflammation. These chemicals amplify the signals of pain and damage in the joints, making arthritis symptoms more severe. But it's important to note that not everyone with arthritis experiences worsening symptoms due to gluten consumption. Some individuals have a condition called celiac disease, an autoimmune disorder triggered by gluten. For them, consuming gluten can directly damage the intestinal lining, leading to an immune response that affects the joints as well. However, even if you don't have celiac disease, the consumption of gluten may still intensify your arthritis symptoms. So it's crucial to pay attention to your dietary habits and identify any correlations between gluten intake and the severity of your arthritis symptoms. If you're enjoying this video so far, smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Now let's continue. Number 3. Consuming eggs regularly. Now you might be wondering, what's so bad about eggs? Well, eggs are a common allergen, and many people unknowingly have sensitivities or allergies to them. When you consume eggs, your body might trigger an immune response, releasing chemicals that further promote inflammation in the joints. Furthermore, eggs contain a compound called arachidonic acid, which is known to promote inflammation. This acid can exacerbate arthritis symptoms and contribute to joint stiffness and discomfort. So, if you have arthritis, it might be worth considering reducing or eliminating your egg consumption. Instead, opt for a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods can help alleviate your symptoms and improve your overall joint health. Number 4. Dairy products. Contrary to popular belief, dairy products don't directly cause arthritis. However, they can worsen the symptoms for those already suffering from the condition. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt contain a protein called casein. When consumed, casein can trigger an immune response in some individuals. This immune response causes inflammation in the body, which can lead to joint pain and stiffness for people with arthritis. Furthermore, dairy products also contain saturated fats. These fats can contribute to inflammation and overall poor joint health. Studies have shown that reducing the intake of saturated fats can lead to a decrease in arthritis-related symptoms. If you're experiencing arthritis symptoms, it may be worth considering reducing your dairy consumption and opting for alternative sources of calcium and protein. Green leafy vegetables, legumes, and fortified plant-based milk can provide the nutrients your body needs without the negative side effects. Number 5, Red meat. Did you know that red meat consumption could worsen the symptoms of arthritis? Many people are unaware of the connection between the two. Recent studies have revealed that consuming red meat, such as beef, lamb, and pork, may trigger and exacerbate arthritis symptoms. Red meat contains high levels of advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, which are compounds formed when proteins and fats react with sugars during cooking at high temperatures. When we consume foods rich in AGEs, they can accumulate within our joints, leading to increased inflammation and worsening arthritis symptoms. Additionally, red meat is high in saturated fats, which can contribute to inflammation throughout the body. This can further aggravate arthritis symptoms and increase the risk of developing other chronic conditions. Research has shown that reducing or eliminating red meat from your diet can lead to a significant improvement in arthritis symptoms. Instead, you can opt for lean proteins like fish, chicken, or plant-based alternatives, which offer essential nutrients without the negative effects of red meat. Number 6. Baked goods. You might be wondering, how can something as delicious as a warm slice of bread or a fresh pastry worsen your symptoms? Consuming baked goods can contribute to inflammation due to their high levels of refined carbohydrates and unhealthy fats. These ingredients can trigger the release of inflammatory chemicals in your body. Baked goods are often loaded with sugar, which can cause spikes in blood sugar levels and trigger inflammation. This can lead to a cycle of increased pain and discomfort for those with arthritis. Additionally, baked goods tend to be high in unhealthy fats, such as trans fats and saturated fats. These fats can promote inflammation and contribute to joint pain and swelling. But it's not all bad news. While some baked goods can worsen arthritis symptoms, there are healthier alternatives available. Consider opting for whole grain bread or pastries made with alternative flours like almond or coconut flour. These alternatives are typically lower in refined carbohydrates and gluten. Remember, moderation is key. Treat yourself to a baked good occasionally, but be mindful of the ingredients and portion sizes. Listen to your body and pay attention to how certain foods affect your arthritis symptoms. So, the next time you're craving a mouth-watering treat, think twice before reaching for that sugary, gluten-filled pastry. By making smarter choices, you can help manage your arthritis symptoms and lead a more comfortable life. So, there you have it, the 6 inflammatory foods to avoid if you have arthritis. By eliminating these 6 inflammatory foods from your diet, you are taking a step towards managing your arthritis symptoms and improving your overall joint health. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what triggers inflammation for one person may not affect another. It's important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for individualized advice. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on managing arthritis and improving joint health. Stay healthy and take care.